Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to install the Scattergun Caddy. Very excited for this because I don't like having to always use my bandolier. So first thing we got to do, there are two screws we got to undo. Just the two top in the middle. And the next step, since we got the rail off, is to take these two pins out. They're pins, so no Allen keys are in there. Alright, next we got to install the new ones. They're going to go in there. Keep the ridge line on the right side of the gun. Okay, so the thicker one, there's going to be two with the Caddy. The thicker one goes in the rear. Almost done. Next, pretty simple. I'm going to just take the Caddy, put it over top, and now we just got to screw these guys in. There we have it. The finished product.